Burping baby. Lynn. Baby, look here. Oh, what's that? Oh. Oh, what's that? I'm a little concerned about the top. I just like cleavage showing. Because you want to be tasteful, not wait. There's so much padding already in the dress. They have to change it if they can. Look at the double chinnies. Sleeveless. Baby. Open eyes. Ooh. Yee. Oh. Oh, hindi alam niya. Wait lang. Wait lang. Smile. Smile again. Come on. Come on. Ooh. Smile, baby. He smiled like what it is. Okay. What are you looking at? Look at that baby. Who's that? Whoa! Say woof woof. Hey, why are you getting mad? He always has one eye shut. Always. He's having a hard time opening the other eye. Sleepy. Sleepy. Show your little feeties. Look at the little foot. Oh, he's showing it. Look at the toes. Nice. Toes, it's not like mommy's. Look. Toink. And the little handies. And oh, what's that face? Oh, what's that face? What's that face? What's that face? He farted. Yeah. Look. Somebody's mad.